In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write Arduino code with ChatGPT in a super simple way, even if you're just getting started with coding or electronics. This is a great method if you want to quickly generate Arduino sketches, save time, and get help writing code for projects like blinking LEDs, reading sensors, or controlling motors. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once it loads, you're ready to give it a clear prompt. For this example, type, "Write Arduino code to make an LED blink every second." This tells ChatGPT exactly what you want, so it can generate a simple working sketch for you. After typing the prompt, press Enter and wait for the response. ChatGPT will usually give you the full Arduino code, including the setup and loop functions. Take a moment to read through it and make sure it matches what you need. If the code looks good, you can copy it and paste it into the Arduino IDE. From there, upload it to your board and test it on your LED circuit. Now here's the best part. If the blinking speed is not quite right, or if the light is blinking too fast, you can easily modify the code by asking ChatGPT to slow it down. For example, you can say, "Make the LED blink slower," or "Change the delay to 2 seconds instead of 1. This is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT, because you can refine your code instantly without having to rewrite everything yourself. You can also ask ChatGPT to explain each line, add comments, or adjust the code for different Arduino boards. That makes it perfect for beginners who are still learning how programming works. Another useful tip is to be specific with your prompts. Instead of just saying, "Write Arduino code," mention the exact behavior you want, such as blink an LED every second, use pin 13, or add a push button. The more details you give, the better the result you'll get. So to quickly recap, open ChatGPT, type your Arduino prompt, press Enter, review the generated code, and make any changes if needed. If the LED is blinking too fast, simply ask for a slower version or change the delay values. It's really that easy. And that's how you write Arduino code with ChatGPT in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides on AI, coding, and beginner-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.